Good morning. Welcome to Miami. We have an incredible group here with us today. We've got Mercury partners and employees from all over the world. But more than that, we're piped in live all over the world. We've got Mercury people in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and Mercury employees in global locations. We've got our partners, dealers, and boat builders all over the world that are live with us via Facebook streaming. We actually, right now, happening now, at the Mercury booth in Helsinki, Finland. We are live at the booth, so welcome to Helsinki, Finland. Now, let's look at what we have been up to the past couple of years. So, in case you've been wondering what we've been up to the past couple of years, if you've paid attention to our financial statements, you've seen that we've had all-time record investment. You've seen recently, or you may have heard, that we reoccupied the historic Lake X. And I'll tell you that every time Mercury makes an investment in a new platform, a new program, we have one intention, one primary intention, and that program, that engine, when we are done, will set a new benchmark in the entire marine industry, not in the eyes of our engineers, but in the eyes of the consumer. This that you're looking at right here is merely step one of our 2018 introductions. This is an all-new 3.4-liter V6 four-stroke outboard engine, a brand new platform, naturally aspirated engine, large displacement, durable, powerful. It comes in both mechanical and digital rigging. This engine will replace the L4 Verado product. It'll also replace the 2.5-liter Optimax product. There will be multiple derivatives to serve multiple segments. This new 3.4-liter 175 to 225 horsepower four-stroke engines aligns with everything that consumers care about. It's got new innovations. The performance, I'll start with performance. The torque curve is awesome. Why does that matter? Well, it gives you the best acceleration in the industry no matter where you are on the RPM range. It's got adaptive speed control. And as you can see see in front of me, it comes in multiple colors. The 200 and 225 has 3 shades of white. We also offer 4 standard color panels and a blank panel for a boat builder to perfectly match whatever the hull color is on their boat. Second, the fuel efficiency sets a new standard. It's the lightest in this category by far, the lightest engine in this category by far, and it has our new advanced range optimization. That delivers industry-leading fuel economy. It's smooth and quiet. You know that we're known for smooth and quiet, and we spend thousands of hours engineering how an engine will sound. And it's not about what a consumer hears, it's more about what they don't hear. And that's how we engineer the sound of these engines. It is, fourth, the easiest to maintain outboard on the market now that we're introducing it. You'll see innovative features like an all-new service door on the top of the cowl. Lets you check and change your oil without having to take the cowl off. Who wants to take the cowl off when you need to do a simple oil check and other easy to maintain features? And most important, perhaps, it's durable and reliable. This is the most durable, most reliable outboard engine Mercury has ever produced. It went through 23,000 hours of testing before we brought it to you here today. This product also serves commercial segments, which is a huge target for this platform. It delivers maximum torque in a commercial environment well below the peak RPM, which gives it maximum durability. The gear case on the commercial version gives it 3 times the life of a recreational application for those rugged, durable applications. The commercial operators love the fuel economy. They love the easy maintenance. I also want to introduce today another new derivative of our 150 4-stroke outboard engine, the new 150 Pro XS. We brought Pro XS to our 4-stroke family with the 115. Now it's the 150 Pro XS. Pro XS, if you didn't know this, has won more bass fishing tournaments than any other brand without any question. It's not even close. Bass fishing is where speed is king, and when you take this 150 Pro XS at wide open throttle, it's going to deliver you the absolute best speed and the absolute best fuel economy at wide open throttle. Our joystick product. We are constantly innovating and upgrading our joystick piloting capability. We were first to the market with our joystick pilot for stern drives. We were first to the market with our joystick pilot for outboards. We have with our joystick the absolute best command authority. What does that mean? It means when you actuate the joystick, you get immediate response, real-time, right-now response. It's got the most precision control. It will operate in skyhook mode in a very, very narrow window for you. And it has incredibly advanced features which we continue to add to the product as we do software updates such as skyhook adjust, skyhook drift, and skyhook bow lock. Finally, I always like to talk about our racing business because they really set the standard for performance, which is what Mercury's all about. Mercury's all-new quad-cam, 4-valve, 9-liter, dual-fuel, 1,350 horsepower engine. The beautiful thing about this engine is you can run it at 1,350 when you've got 91 octane fuel, but if you want to run on 89, maybe run at a little lower RPM, you just recalibrate and you're down to 1,100 horsepower. Another fantastic innovation by the Mercury racing team. So I want to thank you for being with us today, and I'll only remind you one thing today. This is only step 1 for 2018. Thank you.